Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. On today's Tesla video, we're gonna be replacing our original dash with a real carbon fiber dash. This is not a cover like how we typically put it on our wood dash to cover the wood panel with carbon fiber and whatnot. This is an actual real carbon fiber dash. This is made out of a real carbon fiber material, and we're gonna just replace one-to-one. We're gonna take out our original dash and then we're gonna put this new dash in. I'm super excited about this. It should change some interior of our Tesla, and it is a really easy installation. As you can see, it takes less than 5 minutes to get all of this done, and I think it adds aesthetics to your car. The installation is fairly straightforward. Take a plastic pry tool and peel off the side dash panel. This piece comes right out and shouldn't require much force. This piece is held using 2 clips on the top and 1 clip on the bottom. Do this on both driver and the passenger side. If you have a newer Tesla model, this end cap will be integrated to the dash assembly and you don't have to remove it. On the older models, you can remove this end cap. To remove the end cap, just use a plastic pry tool and pry it out on both sides. Now simply lift the dash from one side and make your way to the other side. The dash should come right out without having to use much force. The dash is secured using several plastic clips that are clipped down all over the dash. To install the new dash, you simply have to slide the air vent side first and push the clips in. If you find the dash not clipping to the base, please check to make sure it is aligned well to prevent your clips from breaking. You shouldn't require much force and it should just slide into place. Now install the side dash panels on both sides by just pushing it in, and the installation is complete. Couple of clarifications and disclaimers before I tell you my honest opinion about this dash. First of all, they didn't send me this dash to keep. I'm gonna have to return it back to them after this review because this is like a prototype version for them right now. They probably only have one of this made, and they are gonna get more as you order more and people get more excited about this product. So they are not sending this for free, or I'm not gonna get to keep it, so you're not gonna see this product installed in my car in the future. I'm gonna go back to my original dash. I just wanted to make this review, show you how to install it for informational purposes so that I can show you cool and new accessories and modifications that are coming out in the market. That is my job. That is what I do in this channel. So just wanted to show you this. If you're interested, let's talk about the difference between this dash, the new one with the carbon fiber finish, versus the one that you have currently on your Tesla. Now, this is an OEM part. They took all of this part from an existing Tesla Model 3 or Model Y, and then they just replaced this section where you normally have a wood panel with a real carbon fiber. So that's the only difference. Everything else, this whole core, is OEM Tesla part. They took it out from a Tesla. So there is no difference. There is no any difference with the fitting. It fits perfectly because it is made by Tesla, this whole thing. It is just this one that they replaced. Just to give you another perspective from the back side, as you can see, all of these clips are one-to-one. So you shouldn't have any issues fitting this perfectly on your dash, one-to-one replacement. And while driving, it doesn't wobble or it doesn't make any noise because it fits perfectly, because all of these clips, the vents, everything is exactly the same. After having this installed in my car and doing some drives, here is my honest opinion about this product. Let me tell you my likes, and then I'll move on to my dislikes. First of all, I like how easy it was to install. It was a very easy swap, easy modifications. We have done some crazy installations in this channel, and this is probably one of the easiest installations we have done. You just replace the original dash with this new one. I like how this is a real carbon fiber. This is not a knockoff or a plastic cover. This is the real deal, and this company is the first one that I have seen in the market to actually have a real carbon fiber finish. So if you have other carbon fiber material like wraps, your steering wheel, your central console, and you want to match your interior with more carbon fiber and you want to remove your wood dash, this is a pretty great solution for you. I like that they have some options on their website. Right now, they only have the lighter carbon fiber and then a darker carbon fiber, which are both glossy finish. And that was one of my asks to the company was, are you going to make a matte finish version? Because a lot of people actually like the matte finish version. For me, everything else inside my car, the interior, they are matte finish carbon fiber. So I would prefer an option having a matte carbon fiber, and they say that they're working on it. That's a future development for them. I had a little bit of a concern with the glossy finish, having some glare while driving. So that is what I really wanted to test it out, is how much glare does this create while driving? Is it distracting? So here are some of the footages of me driving with the glossy carbon fiber finish. And as you can see, there is a little bit of glare. There's a little bit of a shadow and reflection that you can see, but it's not bad at all. It's not distracting. That was a concern that I had before I installed this, is how much of a glare is going to provide. And it looks like it is not that bad, even with a glossy finish. But I really hope that they make other finishes such as matte finish in the future. Since this is just a cover that I put in on top, it has a tendency to do that. It can come off, it can make the noise because it is not attached, very well, because it is a cover. It's not a part of the dash, versus here on the carbon fiber part, it is a real carbon fiber. They constructed it with carbon fiber. It's not a cover. So it is permanently there, and it doesn't make that noise or it doesn't come off. Now let's move on to my dislikes about this dash. The price is at $965 right now. I'm not sure how I feel about that. For some of you, that might be great if you want to, change your dash out from the wood to a real carbon fiber. It adds aesthetics, but it is a little pricey. They do have a rebate where if you send in your old dash, they give you $100 off, so it becomes $865 if you were to return your old dash to them, because then they can just reuse it, because that is what they're doing. This is a Tesla dash. They're just adding this carbon fiber here. I understand, it could be expensive. The material is expensive, especially during this uncertain times. Everything, there's inflation, there's a price increase in a lot of things, and they say that it takes a while to make this. But I honestly think that as they produce more of this, the price should go down. I hope the price goes down so that it becomes more affordable for everyone to be able to try this out. With that, I'm going to end today's video. Again, please let me know in the comment section what you think about this product. Would you pay for this? Would you want this to replace, your wood dash? Do you have an existing cover on your dash? And what are your thoughts about the knockoff carbon fiber cover? Or even if you have a real carbon fiber cover with the 3M adhesive in it, let me know in the comment section below how that has been holding up. And does this product have a future in the Tesla industry? I really want to get the conversation going, and I'm really interested in knowing your feedback of, would you put this in your car? Thank you very much for your continued support to my channel. I'll be back again with another Tesla video. Namaste.